Are you ready to take your affiliate marketing to the next level? In today's video, we're diving into SEO strategies that can boost your organic traffic and help you achieve affiliate marketing success. We'll cover everything from keyword research to on-page SEO and backlink building. SEO strategies for affiliate marketing success. This is part 4 of our 15-part series on affiliate marketing. Be sure to check out the other parts of this series in the description below. You can revisit specific sections or jump ahead to topics where you need the most help. Let's continue on your path to affiliate marketing success. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is the process of optimizing your content to rank higher in search engine results pages, SERPs. This is crucial for affiliate marketers because higher rankings mean more visibility, more traffic, and ultimately, more conversions. But what does SEO for affiliate marketing entail? Let's break it down. The foundation of any good SEO strategy is keyword research. Keywords are the terms and phrases people type into search engines when looking for information, products, or services. By targeting the right keywords, you can attract the right audience to your content. Here's how to do effective keyword research. First, identify your niche. What are you promoting? Who is your target audience? Understanding your niche helps you find relevant keywords that your potential customers are searching for. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner, Ahrefs, or SEMrush to discover keywords related to your niche. Use Google Keyword Planner to find keywords related to fitness equipment. As you can see, it provides a list of keywords along with their search volume, competition, and other metrics. Look for keywords with a good balance of high search volume and low competition. Next, analyze your competitors. What keywords are they ranking for? Tools like Ahrefs or Moz can help you see the keywords your competitors are targeting. This can give you ideas for keywords you might have missed. In Ahrefs, I'm analyzing a competitor's site to see which keywords they're ranking for. This gives me insight into what's working in my niche and helps me identify potential keyword opportunities. Don't forget about long-tail keywords. These are longer, more specific phrases that may have lower search volume but higher intent. For example, instead of targeting fitness equipment, you might target best fitness equipment for home gyms. Long-tail keywords are often easier to rank for and can attract more targeted traffic. Once you've identified your keywords, it's time to optimize your content with on-page SEO. This involves optimizing various elements on your webpage to make it more search engine friendly. Let's go over the key components of on-page SEO. First, optimize your title tags and meta descriptions. These are the first things people see in the search results, so make them compelling and include your primary keyword. Here, I'm editing the title tag and meta description for a blog post. I'm including the primary keyword, best fitness equipment for home gyms, in both the title and description to improve my chances of ranking for that keyword. Next, use headers and subheaders to structure your content. This makes it easier for readers to navigate and helps search engines understand the hierarchy of your content. Include your keywords in these headers where it makes sense. I'm adding headers and subheaders to my blog post and incorporating my keywords naturally. This not only improves readability but also boosts my SEO. Content quality is crucial. Provide valuable, informative, and engaging content that addresses your audience's needs. Avoid keyword stuffing. Instead, aim for a natural keyword density of about 1–2%. Remember, you're writing for humans, not just search engines. Focus on providing value, and the rankings will follow. Include both internal and external links in your content. Internal links help readers navigate your site and keep them engaged longer. External links to reputable sources can boost your credibility and improve your SEO. I'm adding internal links to related articles on my site and external links to authoritative sources. This not only improves the user experience but also signals to search engines that my content is well-researched and trustworthy. Don't forget to optimize your images. Use descriptive file names and include alt text with your keywords. This helps search engines understand the content of your images and can drive traffic through image search. I'm adding alt text to an image, describing what it is and including my primary keyword. This small step can make a big difference in your SEO. Ensure your site is mobile-friendly. With more people accessing the internet on mobile devices, a mobile-friendly site is crucial for both user experience and SEO. Use responsive design to ensure your site looks great on all devices. I'm checking my site's mobile responsiveness. A well-designed mobile site not only improves user experience but also boosts your rankings in mobile search results. Site speed is another important factor. Slow-loading sites can frustrate users and hurt your rankings. Use tools like Google PageSpeed Insights to analyze and improve your site speed. I'm running a site speed test and implementing recommendations to improve my site's performance. Faster sites provide a better user experience and rank higher in search results. Now, let's talk about backlink building. Backlinks are links from other websites to your site. They signal to search engines that your content is valuable and trustworthy. Here's how to build high-quality backlinks. The first step to building backlinks is to create high-quality content. Content that is informative, engaging, and valuable is more likely to be linked to by other sites. Focus on creating content that stands out. This could be in-depth guides, original research, or highly shareable infographics. The better your content, the more likely it is to attract backlinks. Guest blogging is another effective way to build backlinks. Reach out to reputable blogs in your niche and offer to write a guest post. In return, you can include a link back to your site. I'm sending a pitch email to a popular blog in my niche, offering to write a guest post. Guest blogging not only builds backlinks but also exposes you to a new audience. Networking with other bloggers and influencers in your niche can also help you build backlinks. Reach out, build relationships, and collaborate on content. The more you network, the more opportunities you'll have to earn backlinks. I'm engaging with influencers in my niche on social media. Building these relationships can lead to collaboration opportunities and backlinks. Once you've implemented your SEO strategies, it's important to monitor and analyze your performance. Use tools like Google Analytics and Ahrefs to track your rankings, traffic, and backlink profile. This will help you see what's working and where you need to improve. I'm checking my site's performance in Google Analytics. Regular monitoring helps me understand which strategies are working and where I need to make adjustments. SEO is an ongoing process. Stay up to date with the latest SEO trends and algorithm updates. Continuously optimize your content, build new backlinks, and refine your strategy to stay ahead of the competition. Remember, SEO is not a one-time task but a continuous effort. Keep learning, keep optimizing, and you'll see long-term success in your affiliate marketing efforts. To recap, we've covered the key aspects of SEO for affiliate marketing success: keyword research, on-page SEO, and backlink building. By implementing these strategies, you can improve your search engine rankings, attract more organic traffic, and boost your affiliate sales. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you never miss an update. Have you tried any of these SEO strategies? Share your experiences and tips in the comments below. And don't forget to share this video with others who might find it useful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.